Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Welcome to a world where your porch or veranda transforms from a simple outdoor area into a cozy, inviting oasis. In 2025, the rustic vintage trend is making a spectacular comeback, combining timeless charm with modern sensibility. If you've been dreaming of a space where family and friends gather, where morning coffees feel extra special, and where every corner tells a story, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 5 inspiring rustic vintage and DIY decor ideas that are sure to elevate your outdoor space. Let's dive into creativity and turn your porch into a masterpiece. Rustic charm starts with vintage furniture, but you don't have to spend a fortune to achieve the look. Scout thrift stores, flea markets, or even your attic for wooden chairs, wrought iron tables, or weathered benches. Add a DIY touch by painting them in muted tones like sage green, soft blue, or antique white, then distress the edges for that aged appeal. Pair these pieces with comfortable cushions in floral or gingham patterns to balance aesthetics with coziness. Nature and rustic decor go hand in hand. Incorporate planters made from reclaimed wood, galvanized metal buckets, or even ceramic pots with vintage patterns. Hang cascading plants like ivy or ferns for an enchanting look, or create a DIY herb wall garden for practicality and beauty. For evening relaxation, nothing beats the glow of candles or lanterns. Opt for hurricane lanterns or mason jars with fairy lights to create a soft, magical ambience. This cozy lighting will make your outdoor space the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. Transform one wall of your porch or veranda into a rustic focal point. Use reclaimed wood panels or brick veneers for a textured, vintage-inspired backdrop. Another budget-friendly idea? Create a DIY photo or art gallery featuring weathered wooden frames and vintage prints. You can even incorporate family heirlooms or antique mirrors for a personal touch. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment with your favorite rustic decor tip so far. Your support helps us bring more creative content your way. The secret to making your porch or veranda feel inviting lies in layering textures. Start with an outdoor rug in a neutral or tribal pattern to anchor the space. Add throws in cozy materials like knitted wool, jute, or linen. Don't forget to pile on cushions in varying sizes and patterns, blending earthy tones with pops of color. For extra rustic charm, incorporate burlap accents or lace-trimmed fabric. These small details will bring a tactile warmth to your decor and encourage guests to linger. Celebrate every season by incorporating seasonal elements into your rustic outdoor decor. For spring and summer, think floral wreaths, pastel-toned accessories, and garden-fresh bouquets. In autumn, decorate with pumpkins, hay bales, and warm-toned plaids. Winter calls for evergreen garlands, red accents, and a vintage sled propped against the wall. DIY enthusiasts can craft seasonal signs using reclaimed wood and stencils for a charming, customized touch. This approach keeps your porch decor fresh and inviting all year round. Congratulations! You now have a toolkit of inspiring rustic vintage and DIY decor ideas to turn your porch or veranda into a breathtaking outdoor retreat. By blending timeless charm with your personal creativity, you'll create a space that's perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and making memories. Before you go, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment sharing your favorite idea from today's video, or even your own creative tips. Your feedback fuels our passion for inspiring content. Step outside, start decorating, and let your porch or veranda shine as an inviting sanctuary that reflects your unique style. See you in the next video.